Hi friends, here's everything you need to make our Back to Naturalness organic handmade tallow soap for face and body. You'll need a crock pot, beef tallow, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, and gloves. And please, always wear your PPE. Soap making is fun but can be dangerous. Safety first. Before we begin, go to soapcalc.net. Enter your ingredients to calculate the correct amounts of lye and water for saponification. That's the chemical process that turns oils into soap. I prefer using grams, but feel free to use what you're comfortable with. And yes, you'll need a digital scale for precise measurements. Let's get started. Add your beef tallow, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and jojoba oil into the crock pot. Do not add lye or aloe vera yet. Turn on the crock pot and let the oils melt down fully. Time to mix your lye solution. Use the measurements from SoapCalc. Important tip: pour the lye into the water, never the water into the lye, or you could create a dangerous chemical reaction. Stir gently and set it aside to cool. Now that your oils are fully melted, slowly and carefully pour your lye plus water mixture into the crock pot. Take your time and stir gently. Use a stick blender to blend the mixture well. Let it cook on low for about 1.5 hours, and keep an eye on it. Sometimes the mixture can bubble up or volcano if it overheats. If that happens, blend it down gently. Trust me, you don't want a soapy mess. Ask me how I know. Cold sweat smile. You'll know your soap has reached the trace stage, when the texture looks like thick mashed potatoes. That means everything is fully emulsified and ready for the next step. Now, if you're using it, add in your aloe vera. Blend again until it's fully mixed in. Once your soap has a glossy, shiny appearance, it's time to pour it into your mold. Let it sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours to harden. After it sets, remove the soap from the mold and cut it into bars. Beautiful, nourishing soap, made by you. Why choose tallow soap? It's great for sunburns, acne, because it's non-comedogenic and won't clog pores, and dry skin. It softens and moisturizes deeply. It's also gentle for eczema and sensitive skin. A true natural remedy for healthy skin. We offer our tallow soap in both scented and unscented varieties. Unscented is perfect for sensitive skin, and the scented bars feature soothing essential oils. This soap is perfect for men and women, gentle, nourishing, and effective for every skin type. This is nature's way of nourishing your skin, pure, powerful, and intentional. Back to Naturalness tallow soap is your skin's new